You Oromo.
You Oromo.
You Oromo.
We Oromo.
Welcome to youoromo.org, the home of the 50 million Oromo nation. We come together because only together can we stop the genocide against the Oromo people.
For those who don't know the Oromo, Oromos are the indigenous people of Oromo land, Oromia, the country currently known as Ethiopia.
We want to accomplish three things.
We want the international community to recognize the genocide is happening against the Oromo nation in Ethiopia by the minority Tigray government, which the international media is not reporting.
We want the international community to grant political refugee status to all Oromos fleeing to genocide. When they are forced back, they are facing certain death.
We urge the world to help us end this genocide and intervene on the issue that is happening in Oromia, the country currently known as Ethiopia.
To accomplish these demands, we have three features.
If you are an Oromo refugees, go ahead and get registered on this website, because only when you get registered in this website that the United Nations will give you attention for your case.
We are also collecting donations to help refugees with food, shelter, and safety. Our primary victims are Oromo women and children, the elderly, and disabled.
We have a petition to end the genocide. Sign the petition.
Petition is very important because a lot of people are going to be watching this. We want you to sign the petition. You don't have to be an Oromo to sign the petition. Please go ahead and help us sign the petition to end the genocide that is happening against the Oromo nation in Oromia, the country currently known as Ethiopia.
I can't stress how important it is to sign the petition.
Sign the petition.
You Oromo.
You Oromo.
You Oromo.
We Oromo.
Okay, other very important thing. When are we letting this website go?
It's coming up pretty soon.
Any ETA, estimated day or time, or because they're going to be watching?
Within the next couple weeks.
Okay, tune in. We are coming up in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, check back.
Within 2 weeks.
All right, so on this one now, well, is there anything you guys want to say to the Oromo nation that watching you from around the world now?
Stay strong.
When we launch, we need you to help us. We need you to come to the website. We need you to sign up if you're a refugee. We need you. And we need you to share with those in your area so they know to sign up.
So what is the purpose of this website again?
The purpose is to have refugees sign up so that we can help them.
And the world to be aware of the genocide.
And through the petition.
Through the petition.
Make our demands known.
The petition will go to the U.S. government and United Nations and EU, right? It's very important.
We need to get over 100,000 signatures.
100,000 signatures we need to end the genocide, and the world will intervene.
So we need you to sign up. We need you to tell people to go on there and sign our petition.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.